Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, maybe you're checking out the Walmart affiliate program, okay? And you're interested to see whether you want to become an affiliate. Is this legit? Can you make money from this? The big question is how much money can you make from the Walmart affiliate program? Maybe there are better ways out there. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy on how to do that. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them though are a big waste of time. So let's check out the Walmart affiliate program to find out whether this is something you should be making money with, or maybe there's something else better out there, all right? Now, Walmart doesn't need any introductions. It's one of the largest retail companies in the world. If you come to their website right here, literally you can, find, products on pretty much anything: Mother's Day, groceries, spring shopping, baby, kids, electronics, pharmacy, and health. I mean, they've got just endless amounts of products, okay? Now, the cool thing is that you can leverage off of their retail network, and you can recommend their products to other people online, and when somebody buys through your link, you make a commission. This is called affiliate marketing, right? Affiliate marketing is a $12 billion industry, so that's really cool. Now, the problem though is it a profitable way to make money online, right? Now, the way that the Walmart affiliate program works, and I'll just show it to you right here, is very easy. You just go to affiliates.walmart.com, all right? And if you really want to sign up for this, okay, and you can do this globally from anywhere in the world, you just click on sign up right here and just take your time, and you can fill in all the details right here. It's actually really, really easy. And then you can just navigate their product selection, grab an affiliate link, and then you would basically promote it on your website. Now, there are multiple ways to do this, okay? So if you already have a big following on, say, one of the social media platforms like TikTok or Instagram or YouTube or Facebook, right? You could do a video or a piece of content, and then you could share your link. When somebody buys from your link, you will make a commission, okay? Now, another way you can do this, maybe you have a blog, right? So maybe you're a blog writer, you've got some sort of authority blog, and you're writing articles, and then you can drop your little affiliate links depending on what article you're writing. Maybe you're writing an article on camping gear, right? And then all you would do is you would find camping gear directly on Walmart, right? Camping gear, for example, okay? And then there's going to be a whole bunch of camping gear that you could promote on Walmart, directly onto your hub, your little blog, right? Your blog article. Maybe you're talking about cookwares, and then you can sell this, and it's going to be $27.99. Somebody buys from your link, and then you generate a commission. That's what affiliate marketing is, and it's really, really cool, okay? Now, the big question though is how much money are you going to make from the Walmart affiliate program? Because the thing is, they've got a ton of products, and it's actually pretty easy to promote them, especially if you have a following. And we'll talk all about that. If you're a beginner, don't worry, stick till the end of this video. I'm gonna share with you a strategy that you can use if you've never done this before, right? You've got no following, you've got no audience. I'm gonna show you how you can still profit from affiliate marketing. But here's the problem with the Walmart affiliate program. They only pay between an average of 1% to 4% commissions on the products that you sell. Okay, now some products, they will have higher commissions up to 18%, but the majority, 90 plus more percent of all their products only pay between 1% and 4% commissions. That's really, really low. Okay, now if you compare this to the Amazon Associates affiliate program. So Amazon has also a very big affiliate program. They pay between 3% and 5%. That's also ridiculously low. But I mean, 1% is just unheard of, right? It's just a joke if you think about it, right? So let's do the calculations on this, okay? Let's go back to this product right here. So let's just say you have a camping blog. Maybe you've got a social media account where you're talking a lot about camping, and your audience is interested in this, and then you promote this particular product right here. It's the Mess Kit camping cookware set. So let's say it's $28, okay? So $28 times 4% at the higher rate, you're going to make a whopping $1.12 commissions. That is ridiculously low, all right? You would have to sell, if you wanted to make full-time income, selling Walmart, affiliate products, right? You would have to sell 5,000 units of this every single month, in order for you to make $5,000 in commissions, okay? $5,000 is considered full-time income, right? Now, if we wanted to hit the nice number of $10,000 a month, you would have to sell 10,000 of these units every single month. Now, let me ask you a question. Do you think you can sell 10,000 units of anything every single month? I think that's pretty hard, right? Now, you might be saying, well, Aaron, this product is only $27.99. Maybe we can sell something more expensive. Sure, you can sell something more expensive, but the thing is that as the price starts to go up, it starts to get more difficult to sell, especially when we're talking about physical products, because this is stuff that, people might need on a daily basis. They're not going to shell out $359 every single time. Okay, but let's play devil's advocate, right? $359. Let's check out how much commissions you're going to make from this. So $359, right, times 4%, you're literally making $14 commissions on a $359 product. That is insanely low. Okay, now let's just see how many of those you would have to sell, right? So that's $14 commissions, right? So $5,000 divided by 14, you would still have to sell 357 units of this pop-up canopy tent in order for you to make $5,000 a month. Now, that's a lot of product that you have to sell. 357 units of anything every single month is really, really hard to do. Okay, and $5,000 as a target for an affiliate marketer, if you really think about it, is not that much money. Okay, I know you might be thinking, well, Aaron, that's a lot of money to me. And yes, $5,000 is a good amount of money. But look, if you're going to be getting into internet marketing, right, and you want to create leverage, and you want to maybe quit your job and travel the world and do all those great things, then $5,000 actually in the world of affiliate marketing is really little money. You should be shooting for a minimum of $10,000, if not $20, $30, $40, $50,000 a month. Okay. Now, of course, we have to start from somewhere, but I'm just putting into perspective for you. When you understand how to do this right and you create leverage inside of your business, $5,000 is actually really nothing in the affiliate world. All right, which is why going with something like the Walmart affiliate program is actually a really, really big strategic mistake, okay? Because they're only paying you 1 to 4% commissions, and I would say that that's the biggest problem with the Walmart affiliate program and any physical store affiliate program. So this is the likes of Amazon. 3 to 5% is really bad, all right? I mean, you're just not going to build a successful business that way, all right? So Amazon, Share a Sale, a lot of the Rakuten stuff, anything where you're selling physical stuff, generally the commissions are really, really bad. Okay, it's anywhere between 1 to 5% in general, and it's very difficult to make money that way. Okay, now if you can find in an affiliate program where they're selling physical stuff specifically, okay, and they're offering commissions, in the range of like 40 or 50%, then that's good. Okay, but that's extremely rare. That's like less than 1% of all physical affiliate marketing programs out there. And the reason why that is because selling physical stuff has a manufacturing cost. You see, when somebody creates this canopy tent here, or they're creating this Ozark Trail silicone camping mess kit, right? It costs money to manufacture these pans. It costs money to manufacture this tent right here, right? So they can't pay you that much in commissions because there is a creation cost for these products. Does that make sense, right? And that's why selling physical stuff as an affiliate, I think, is a big mistake. Like, you shouldn't go down that route. Affiliate marketing is great, but what you should do is you should focus on selling digital stuff. Digital courses, digital training, digital platforms, digital software, and digital tools. Everything digital. Because when you sell something digital, there's no manufacturing cost to that item. It's just time, right? So they employ someone to create that product. That's why generally with digital stuff, the commission rates are so much higher. We're talking 40, 50, 60, 80%. With some products, 100% on the front end product, and then less on the back end, because they have to make money too, right? So I would highly recommend focusing on digital courses, and stick around. I will show you exactly how to do that in a second, right? So who is the Walmart program good for? The Walmart affiliate program. I think this is good for nobody, to be honest, unless you're somebody who is already a massive influencer. So if you already have a massive blog, or you've got like 1 million people following you on TikTok, then sure, it's pretty easy, because you can come in and you could say, randomly, like one, here and there, you could create a piece of content and you could say, hey guys, I'm gonna go camping today, and I'm gonna bring along my camping mess kit, camping cookware set. If you want to check it out and use the same one that I'm using, then click on the link below. it's going to send you to the Walmart store and you can pick it up, because I think that this is the bee's knees. When you go camping, you must have this set, right? And then you might make, 1,000 sales because you have 1 million people following you, and you get $1 per sale, right? $1 per, which is ridiculously low, okay? 4%, it's just mental. But you get $1.17 or whatever it was, and if you sell 1,000 units, you'll make $1,000. So that's pretty good. That's a pretty good day for a TikTok influencer who's got 1 million people following them. Then it's cool. Then you can do that. But if you're a beginner, right, or you're just getting started, you have no idea how to do this, you don't have 1 million followers following you on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube or Facebook, right? So you can't do stuff like that, right? You have to build it from scratch. And in order for you to generate 1,000 sales, that's hard, right? You have to start from somewhere. So something like this Walmart affiliate program wouldn't make sense for you if you're just getting started, or if your follower base and audience is pretty low. And for the majority of people that are watching this video, that's going to be the case. They're not going to be an influencer with millions of followers, right? So that's the only person that I would say that Walmart is good for. Somebody that owns a massive blog that is driving millions of views every single month, right? Or you're an influencer that has 1 million followers or more. Those are the only people where this would be cool to do. If you're otherwise, I think that the Walmart affiliate program is pretty bad, to be honest, okay? So that's my review of the Walmart affiliate program, okay? I hope you enjoyed. If you want to check it out, affiliates.walmart.com, and you can get registered over here. All right, affiliates.walmart.com. Now, if you are watching this video and you're just getting started and you're like, well, Aaron, I want to do this. I want to make money through affiliate marketing, or maybe you just want to make money online. How do I do that in a profitable way, right? Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds of strategies to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them so-so. A lot of them, though, are not very good, like the Walmart affiliate program, especially if you're not the right type of person, right? But out of all the good ones I've reviewed, I still think that there is one way, one strategy for a beginner, somebody who has never made money online before, to go from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month, and much, much more, depending on how much effort you put in. If you would like to check that strategy out, right, which is very much in line with doing affiliate marketing, then click the link below, and I will share with you my masterclass that's going to show you how to do this step by step for free, and you can check it out if you want. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of the Walmart affiliate program. All the best to you. See you on another video review. Take care.